Welcome to Apify, the one-stop shop for all your web scraping, automation, and web RPA needs. We process billions of web pages for customers ranging from small startups to Fortune 500 companies. When you log in, you'll see your dashboard. Here, you can see a broad overview of your data usage, recent actor and task runs, and your scheduled events. First, let's look at actors. Actors are super flexible cloud programs that can handle anything you throw at them, from automating repetitive tasks like monitoring a website for changes to crawling sites with millions of pages. To try our ready-made actors, visit Apify store. Here you will find tools that allow you to start working with websites in categories like social media, e-commerce or travel right away. Let's try the Booking.com scraper to see what's available in London. The results are available in formats like HTML, JSON, and CSV. Now, let's turn this actor configuration into a task. Tasks let you save unique, reusable configurations of actors that are tailored to specific jobs. For example, we can save one configuration of the Booking.com scraper that will find hotels in New York, while another will scrape listings in Tokyo. If you want to run an actor or task at a specific time, or perhaps set up recurring runs, you can create a schedule. With cron expressions, you can run your actors or tasks exactly when you want, whether it's daily, weekly, or twice a year. This handy guide will help you find the cron expression you need. The Storage tab provides an interface for you to view and download your data. It doesn't matter if it's the results from a huge data processing job or a quick scrape. The accessible interface makes managing your data easy. And if you want to access your data from a client application, you can use our API, even as the data is generated. Apify's pool of proxies reduces the blocking of your web scraping and automation jobs by letting you rotate your IP addresses intelligently. The Proxy tab allows you to view your account's proxy settings and monitor the health of your pool of IP addresses. If you're in need of a custom solution, you can use the Apify marketplace to post your project and get data you trust from Apify-approved developers. Just provide a description of your project, then wait for the offers to roll in. For big projects, contact our enterprise team and our experts or partners will deliver a complete end-to-end solution just for you. Give us a call or read our success stories to find out how data from the web can improve your products, sales, and marketing. And if you're going it alone, keep our handy documentation nearby for reference. We hope you enjoy web scraping and automating processes with Apify. If you want to learn more about what you can do with our platform, check out our blog or YouTube page. And if you have any questions or interesting ideas on how Apify can improve, let us know.